I think I got it. I got it. Okay. I got a few things at MINISO and I'm very excited to show you. First item is this puff. I've been loving using my Skintific cushion foundation. This one especially, which I'm wearing right now, but the puff is too small. And so I thought I'll go ahead and get a bigger one and also cuter one. Here it is. It's also more substantial. It's pretty thick. It's a little thicker than the one I have in my Skintific and feels so much firmer. So I'm very excited to use this, and also comes with a case. I probably should buy one more. Although that's pretty cute. I love going to MINISO. Even when I don't need to buy anything, I enjoy just looking at stuff because there are so many cute things there. I also got a clam here, perfect for the summer and also when I'm getting ready. I'm also planning to cover this with the Dior box lining, like this one. If you've seen my other projects, I've covered a few things with the Dior box lining to make it more of the Dior toile de joue motif. So I'm gonna attempt to do the same thing with this clam. And lastly, what I am most excited about, and I will try them right now, are the lashes. They have lots of cute lashes. I love these ones that are just very minimal and these ones that are a little thicker. Today I will try the minimal ones, see if it will look good with my makeup right now. And the total I spent for all of this is, yes, $22. So the lashes, so each one is $5.24, not too bad. And then the clip is $6.29 and the puff is $5.24, total $22.33. Let's go ahead and try the lashes. Let me just grab one of these. This is how thin the lashes are. Okay, I used to do this a lot and it seems like it was easy to apply them, but as I get older, I guess things gets more difficult. Right on the center first. I'm so struggling. I love it. I love how minimal it is. And found my tweezer. This is why I rarely do get ready with me, because I'm very slow and you know, I figure things out as I go, and sometimes I make mistakes and I'm not expert yet. That's the reason. But I'm trying to come out here more often. But let's see. Okay, I think it's actually good. I think I got it. I got it. Okay. Okay. Let me know what you think. I think I love it. I like it. I like how minimal it is. It's still obvious, but it actually looks so natural. This is the, if you go to MINISO, just look for this pink packaging. I hope you had fun with this little MINISO haul. And if you have any MINISO favorites, let me know in the comments. I would like to check them out next time I go there. See you again later. Bye bye.